Hey guys, so we are moving, if you didn't know, which there will be a video up on my channel anyway talking about moving. So today, or tonight really, I have the job of packing up the studio. So I'm not going to touch any of the makeup yet because I don't want to have to go through, I need to be able to film, you know what I mean, obviously. So I think what I'm going to do is just start packing up, like, because I have like a whole nother side of this studio. I don't even know how long it's been since I've actually showed the studio on here, but like I have, this is the desk, and then like obviously the background and stuff is there, but I have a whole other section over there, which you can't really see that well at the moment, with like all my decor and all this stuff up here. So I'm gonna start packing some of that stuff up. We don't have any boxes, lol, because we literally found out like a couple of days ago that we were moving in, so all of this has been super quick. So yeah, I think I'm just going to start by packing up the things that aren't like breakable. I'm using clothing baskets at the moment because the house is only down the road, so yeah, all I have to do is, you know, a quick like literally like 30-second, no, probably more like a minute or two car drive down the road. So we're just caking it all over in clothing baskets at the moment because we don't have any boxes. So let's just start packing things up. Oh, perfect. I don't know if you guys saw that, but he fell in there, so okay guys, it's been quite a few days since I last filmed this. We have just been ran off our feet, pretty much just been so busy. But yeah, anyway, so what I need to do is I really need some more boxes. So I think, oh my god, I don't even know where to start, guys, like there's just a lot going on. So what I need to do, I need to sort everything, like, because I've got quite a few boxes like sorted, like things sorted out. So I'm just gonna like try and condense all of the boxes into like one, you know what I mean, like try and sort, because obviously I have all the stuff for working my way through my makeup collection in different boxes. So I'm gonna try and sort like just put all of that stuff together. I'll re-sort it out when I get to like the new studio, and yeah, so that's what I'm going to do now. Okay, that's kind of all the boxes I can kind of condense at the moment. So I've freed up 4. That's not too bad. So I think my next thing is I need to take this new body care and stuff with me. I need to take this new skincare with me as well. So I think I'm going to start doing trips to the new place with some of the boxes that I've got in here, so that I can like drop the stuff at the new house and then come like empty the boxes and then bring them back here, if that makes sense. Okay, I'm gonna go and talk to my dad and see if he would be happy to do a trip of some of our furniture over, because I'd really like to take this little shelf thing over, and then this desk that's behind me over as well, so that I can start like getting things off the floor, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna go have a chat to him quickly and see if he will do that for me, because that would be very handy. Hey guys, So it's been a little while now, but we did take the desk and the bookshelf out. It is Sunday now. I'm currently working Saturdays, so I'm working 6 days a week at the moment to pay for everything. Which, well, not everything, but you know what I mean, like to get us a bit more money, because we obviously need to buy furniture and all that kind of stuff. So I have like 1 day a week at the moment, which is not ideal, but that's fine. I really want to get my studio done today in the new house, but I don't know if that's going to happen. But I'm just going to start taking some things, so hopefully we can move some of the rest of this furniture and at least get it like so I can at least start filming in the new place. But yeah, I need to pack up so many things. So I've still got like all this side of the room. I still have the desk, which I don't think I am going to be taking this desk because it's just too big. And then I need to pack up all of this stuff over here. So that's what I'm going to start doing now. So yeah, it's time to be productive and try and get some of this sorted. Hey guys, so we are in the new studio now. I'm just going to give you a little bit of a quick tour. So this is the door. I have the desk there, makeup drawers there. Still don't know what I'm doing with this bookcase. We're going to figure that out. But this is going to be the new filming desk. It's a lot smaller than my last one. Just because I didn't want to take up all that room with my massive filming desk that I had before. There's my baby girl up there. Don't worry about all the stuff on the lawn. That is my sister's things that she needs to come and collect. And then I also have the cubes here. I bought this the other day. I got one for our bedroom and I also got one for in here. This is going to house all of my Halloween costumes, which majority of them are on the ground right now. So I'm going to get to building that so we can pick up some of this mess off the floor. Start to put everything away. Then we can start kind of decorating and getting this back together. There's my baby Esther. Esther! Come on! Come here! What's in here? The door to the studio is normally always closed to like keep heat in the lounge in our bedroom. So she probably wants to come and explore. But yeah, I'm going to build this thing now. And then, yeah, I'll show you guys when it's done. Okay, so I've built that now. That's how it looks. Super cute and just super handy to have that there. I also built this little bamboo shelf to sit my ring light on, because my ring light needs to be a little bit higher than what my camera does. So I really need to go and get my ring light and stuff. I do have some floating shelves that I want to put in here so I can display some things. So I might have a quick look at those and see how hard they are to put in. And if they seem like kind of easy, I might do that now before I head over and grab my other things. So yeah. Okay, so I've changed my mind. Bookshelf is going to go there next to the door, and I've put this little dresser thing here because I feel like it fits really nicely into the windows. I think I want to get some different curtains so that it finish like where the window finishes, if you know what I mean. Because I feel like they look a little bit silly on the ground at the moment. Like I feel like that'll just really make it if they're not dragging along the floor. But what I'm going to do now, because it's still in shambles in here, I'm gonna try and put some of these things away and start decorating a little bit. So yeah, let's do that. Okay, so that's what I've got going on now. I need to get like so many things from my parents' house. Also, I can't remember if I said, but my dad said he's going to come over on the weekend and put the shelves in for me, so I'm just waiting for him to do that. But yeah, I feel like I need to do another trip to my mum's, but I don't know if I should do it now. I'll save it for tomorrow. I'm very indecisive. I don't know. But yeah, I'll let you guys know either way if I end up going there or if I end up doing it tomorrow. But so far so good. We're getting a few little things in the studio, so every little bit helps. Hey guys, so that is all I'm going to show in this video because I want the reveal to be in a separate video. So that was my moving my studio vlog, and if you want to know what it looks like, then keep an eye out. The next video should be my studio tour, so you can see it then. Thanks for watching. Bye.